All right, here we are with the Prius Hybrid 2013. Common problem with the heat shield rattling. After, I guess, so many years, I will show you a simple task that I believe anyone can do with the problem with the heat shield coming undone underneath the carriage. The heat shield here comes loose and it makes a rattling noise. There's a common fixture for this problem here. If you look down here in the heat shield underneath the muffler, that blue washer, basically what happened, the heat shield wore out, caused the area to come undone, and here is the actual heat shield piece that was apart from the heat shield. It was still attached to the lower frame, lower carriage of the vehicle. I took off the little bolt nut that was there, which is a 10 right there, 10 millimeter. You might want to put some lube to maybe loosen up a bit or help with the rust. Take that nut off. It might be a little complicated at first, but use a little bit of pressure and it will come off. I went ahead and put a washer that I had here in my garage, put it back on, and now nice and tight, back to normal. Hopefully no more rattling noise. If that helped you any, good luck with that.